Viewers, you're welcome to this lecture on the fungi. The fungi are organisms of the kingdom fungi that are known to be multicellular, and they exhibit heterotrophic nutrition. And they're eukaryotic organisms in that they have membrane-bound nucleus in their cells. Now, the fungi are very unique in that they exhibit saprophytism, and saprophytism basically is a type of nutrition in which an organism digests its food externally. Now, as this, just like this mushroom, it's growing on a decomposing wood, and this process helps to break down the wood into simpler units, into smaller units. Now, the fungi are different from plants in that they do not have chlorophyll. Okay, they are different from plants that have chlorophyll, that are green, while the fungi do not have chlorophyll. And the bodies of the fungi are not divided into roots, stem, and leaves that are common to plants. Okay, plants have these three very distinct parts: the roots, the stems, and the leaves. But the fungi do not have such distinctive parts. Okay, they are usually saprophytic, while plants are autotrophic. Plants carry out autotrophic nutrition, being able to carry out photosynthesis. They are able to carry out photosynthesis. So fungi, they constitute a separate kingdom of its own, the kingdom fungi, and the plants belong to a different kingdom, the kingdom plantae. Now, the fungi are known to be able to break down organic matter, and that is a very unique, a very important role they play in the environment, the decomposition of dead organic matter. The fungi are classified into 6 phyla, and these 6 phyla are the phylum Ascomycota, the phylum Basidiomycota, the phylum Chytridiomycota, the phylum Deuteromycota, the phylum Glomeromycota, and the phylum Zygomycota. The Ascomycota, or the ascomycetes, are basically fungi that are characterized by the production of ascospores, and they basically they include the well-known fungi known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae, the yeast. The yeast belong to the phylum Ascomycota. We also have the Basidiomycota, or the Basidiomycetes, okay, which these mushrooms belong to. The basidiomycetes are organisms that are characterized by the possession of basidium or basidia. The basidia are club-shaped structures that are found at the underside of the basidiomycetes. Okay, that gel-like area, and those basidio they produce, the basidia produce basidiospores. They produce basidiospores, which eventually germinate to produce this basidiocarp, these fungi that have grown. Okay, so the mushrooms belong to the phylum Basidiomycota. Their sexual spores are basidiospores. Then we also have the Chytridiomycota, or the chytrids. The chytrids are fungi that are known to be aquatic. They are aquatic flagellated fungi. These aquatic flagellated fungi are also known to produce motile zoospores. They produce zoospores. Okay, so the chytrids produce motile zoospores. Then we also have the Deuteromycota. The Deuteromycetes are basically fungi that are also known as the imperfect fungi, and they produce glomerospores. Sorry, the Deuteromycetes do not exhibit the same sexual cycle as common to other fungi. They do not produce sexual spores, but they reproduce asexually with the aid of conidia. Okay, they reproduce asexually with the aid of conidia or conidiospores. Then we also have the Glomeromycota that produce asexual spores that are called glomeromycetes. Glomerospores. Now we also have the phylum zygomycota that are also called the conjugate fungi, and the conjugate fungi include the bread moles, okay, Rhizopus stolonifer. Now the bread moles and other fungi in this phylum are known to produce zygospores. They are known to produce zygospores as they are sexual spores. So I believe you must have learned one or two things about this, the fungi, their classification, and the distinction between the fungi and the plants. Thanks for watching this video, and watch more of my videos from my YouTube and TikTok channels.